Here we are again, everybody. It's been a while. We're here at Christman Garage. We got us an old Kubota fuel injection, electronic fuel injection. It's a RTV 500, and we've been riding this thing around in the old CV axle boots. Yep. Let me get you in here so you can see them. Yep. Look right there. She gone straight to the bad. So we're gonna be changing on these today, and we'll let y'all know about how aggravating it's gonna be. Okay, we're going to start by pulling this old cap off here. We pull the cap off. It's also got these little shields up here that we went on and popped off so you could see the going to the bad part. We're going to knock these lugs off. 3/4 what the lugs are. Take the tire off. Let's set these lugs. Let's set them right there. Okay, now we got to get this out. You do that with a pair of dikes, wherever they went off to. All right, we're getting the cotter key out. And it come out like so. We're going to reuse that. Now this is 7/8. We got an impact here. We're going to run it right off. Just like that. And then it's got a washer back there. Take the washer off. All right, once you get that nut knocked off right there, you see my axle can slide back and forth. What we're going to do, there's 9/16 bolts. There's actually one bolt and two nuts up under here. We're going to knock these off real quick. If they don't come off good, you might have to break them loose with something. But I got something to break them loose with. Just put a little light ratchet action on it. Break it loose. See there? 9/16. Bolt, two nuts. Throw it up there. Push your A-frame down a little bit so it pops out. Slide this around. You got this. There's your axle. We ordered these CV axles from, where's it at here? ATV Parts Connection out of Maryland. As you can contact them at phone number 301-498-4326.
Very professionally packed.
They are very, very nice, very professionally packed. They're about $75 a piece, y'all. $75 a piece. You take them out. I think we might have this one upside down. Nope, she's got a piece of paper there. Nope, there we go. We'll set this over here out of the way. Let's see, get like this. Always cut toward yourself. And see, she's wrapped all up, good to go. Look at that. Money. Comes with a new nut, which we might not use. The old one had a washer on it like this. See? The old one's like this. The new one's got kind of a built-in washer. We'll probably put the washer back on there just because I like the way it looks. It comes with a little C-clip. Now, we've discovered that you need to pack some grease on this to hold it kind of in the center so it'll go up in there good. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to slide this one in. Y'all hang out. All right, you see we got the grease on there, and what that does is that keeps that snap ring kind of in the center there, because if not, it'll hang down low, and we really messed one up on the other side. So this is, this is experiencing right here.
You taste that grease? It's good.
That tastes like marine grease.
It is.
Okay, all right. Okay, we're going to slide her up in here real nice and easy. And you get it until it lines up and you feel it go in the splines. And she's in the splines. I got me no rubber mat. I took the nut and turned it around backwards so I'm not beating on the threads. And let's make sure that we hadn't boogered something up. Them new snap rings is tough. These are just a little bit smaller, I think. All right, fellas, this is what I'm going to do. We took the old one off. We're making sure she's nice and tight. And we're going to be real gentle, or as gentle as we possibly can be. Put this one on here. That thing right there, I need something that's not sharp. It's done stabbed me 3 times. Damn. Did you sharpen them up? It stabbed me 3 times. Every time it slipped off, it stuck in my finger. Well, I might be able to do it this way, too. Let's try this. Look at there. Look at there. He done ground this thing down. See, I'm trying to do just as little bending as possible as I can. There we go. Oh, yeah, she's a lot tighter. Look where that thing drew blood on me. I was getting a blood transfusion right there. Oh, yeah, she's a lot tighter now. See how tight that one is, fellas? You know what that means? She's going to go in this time. All right, we're going to slide her right in here. And you feel it get in the splines. And then you give it a little tappy. Just a little tap-taparoo. I mean, it's its home. That's where it wants to go. It wants to go home. And we're just going to drive it on home. She's on up in there. Yeah, she's in there. I'm going to do a little tappy with a heavy hammer. There we go. She's all the way in. She looks good. Now, that's why I'm going to take this nut back off. And now it's just reverse procedures. Not too bad. Wipe the blood off your hands where you stabbed the old pick in your finger 3 times. Rock all the... That's New York rocks right there. That's dirt from New York State right there, fellas. Got cow manure. We should shoot some videos up north. All right. Pull it back around. Work it back in the hole there. See, this thing works pretty good. You got to kind of... All you do is fight with it. Yeah, we can edit that right on out. See, that thing's still cocked in there. So what I'm going to do is get 2 of my nuts here. I can pop it down in like that. I can get them started. And then this may start. If not, we might have to run them other ones up. Let's wait. Let's wait and run them other ones up. 9/16 once again. I got them up. This one should line up now. And it does. Then, like I said, we're going to put the stock one back on because it's got like a taper to it. So I like putting a taper so it holds pressure on it. We'll get our impact back over here. Impact back on there. Okay, now you look where the holes lined up. We're going to just like that till it lines up. Hold cotter key. I need a bigger hammer for this job. Just like that. Some people will put a cotter key in and flip both the pieces either side, and I think that's the way it was from the factory. I don't like doing that. I like going one side right over the top, because then if you ever got to work on it, you don't have a cotter key to put back in it, and this one breaks off, you at least have that one. You can reuse it. So kind of, nope, you're good to go.
Okay.
See, it's inside. If it was sticking out past, I'd cut it a little bit, but perfect. So we got that tight. We got all three of them down there tight. And like I said, those shields, they go right here. We took them off ahead of time. Not a big deal. We're going to pop them on. That's the Kubota RTV 500 electronic fuel injection. CV axle replace. What year model is this?
09 and see how many hours on.
2009.
1,300
1,357 and 8/10 hours. And the old boots was busted on it. So there you have it, fellas. And remember, until next time, if she's giving trouble, she's going too fast.